Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, please state your name, do solemnly swear that I will tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to this committee. Thank you. You may now take your seat.
Thank you, Comsec. Ms. Carolyn, I think you're here as the interpreter. Could you kindly translate to the resource persons what they have sworn to, so that they know what their obligation is to this committee?
刚才我们宣誓的是，就是我们在听证会的时候要说出真相，所有的真相。
Salamat, Ms. Carolyn. All right. So I will ask questions first to Yang Jianxin, or Tony Yang, or Antonio Maestrado Lim. Mr. Yang, kailan po kayo dumating sa Pilipinas? When did you come to the Philippines?
请问杨先生，您什么时候过来菲律宾？
我大概是在1998还是1999年。
That was around 1998 or 1999.
So 1998 or 1999, you have been here for a quarter of a century or 26 years.
所以你在这里大概有26年了，是吧？
哦，大概25、26年了。
Yes, that's correct. Around 25 to 26 years.
Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa kayo marunong mag-Pilipino?
你到现在还不会说菲律宾语吗？
Tagalog, Bisaya, may kunti-kunti. Ganyan.
Yes, Tagalog, Bisaya, only a few. A mix of everything.
Ganyan din yung sagot ni Michael Yang sa amin nung Family Investigation. Sa tagal na niya dito, hindi pa rin marunong mag-Pilipino o Bisaya ng fluent.
Madam Chair?
Anyway, yes, SP Pro Tempore?
Maybe we can ask Senator Gatchalian to confirm if he's really telling the truth.
We'll let the interpreter do her job, Mr. President.
I agree, Senator Sherwin. Thank you, Senator Sherwin and SP President Pro Tempore. So, Mr. Tony Yang, you confirm that you are a Chinese national? Kinukumpirma nyo na Chino ang nationality nyo? Your mic, please, Ms. Carolyn.
您确认你是中国籍吗？
我确认。
Yes, I confirm.
You confirm.